I gonna build a holding truck. Okay, I'm gonna make a dump. Ta-da! I make a dump. And I'm gonna pull this wheel. Can you do it? It's gonna work. I'm gonna make a holding car. I'm gonna make a holding car. Maybe people said watch out. Wow. Oh, Buffy is doing. It's okay if that's where we go inside. It's okay if that's where we go inside. Okay, let's see this key.